Can you see who unfriended you on Steam? So actually, Steam does not notify you when someone unfriends you, and it does not offer a built-in way to see who unfriended you. But there are different methods from which you can sense who unfriended you. First is by manually checking. Open the Steam application or the website, then go to your friends list. Look through your friends list, and if someone is missing, they may have unfriended you. Now, this only works if you remember who was on your list before. So, for future use, what you can do is using a spreadsheet. If you are concerned about losing track, export or write down your friends list occasionally. Then compare changes manually in the future. Or even better, just go to your friends list and screenshot the whole page. This way, in the future, you can compare and see who unfriended you. But as far as the Steam application itself, you cannot see who unfriended you through the app or the website. That's all for today. Thank you.